Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Friday. And right now we kind of like have to wait for what this coin does in the next coming what do you call it, in the next coming 3 days. I'm looking at Bitcoin, I'm looking at this chart, and there is a potential to start reversing to the upside. There's a possibility, there's a chance, and if you don't start to reverse, of course the downside is there. This bearish harami has kind of played out right now. This one right here. Actually, it's gonna be invalidated. Sorry, when you cross the 41, or sorry, you break this. Sorry, 31. You break 31, and then it's gonna be invalidated, and you put in a morning star by next week potentially, and then from there you start to actually move to the upside as well. And those are some scenarios that I'm looking for SLP. But to me, as I said before in previous videos, I really want to get bullish on SLP. It's not that I don't want to get bullish on it, but I want to see SLP on the monthly making a bullish engulfing at least, and then from there I might be taking an entry again. So can SLP go to 26 here or 27? We are at 19. It's very close to 27 and 26. In 3 days it's possible. It's really possible. And if it does that, then my friend, we're going to be bullish again, right? So remember this, what I'm telling to you right now, that this is going to turn bullish, and it's probably going to go to the upside, and that means you've bottomed out completely for SLP, and you might start to see a very big rally to the upside as well. So this is the only thing that I want to post in this update, because the market is shady, people are fearful, and who knows, but sometimes bullish pattern can be invalidated as well. So I don't know, but to me, after a very long time of dump like this, if you start to get that bullish structure like a reversal candlestick, that would be amazing, and then you start to continue to the upside. So there is a lot of suspense going on, and that's the only thing that I'm gonna tell you in this update. I'm not focusing on the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame. Let the market decide, because there are still possibility of going to the downside, for so many coins out there, really, for so many coins. And one more thing is that still in the smaller time frames, you're not really crossing the resistance, right? You're hitting your head at the resistance, you're not really crossing that resistance right there. All you did is you went up like this, again you came down, went up, and you're still hitching your head at that resistance, potentially to go more down. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.